Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to teach you about how to swap two numbers in Python. So this is concept 1. So now let's go to the concept. Let's say I have these two blocks. So these are my two blocks here. So my first block name is A, in which value 7 has been assigned, and my second block name is B, in which the value 9 has been assigned. Now for the concept, I just want to interchange these two values. So in place of 7, I want 9, and in place of 9, I want 7. So I want these values to be interchanged. So at this time, the values stored in the memory are for A is equal to 7 and for B 9. So these are the values which is stored in the memory of our computer. For interchanging these values, I need a third block. Let's name this third block as temp. So this new block now has the name temp. Now this A block will give its value to temp, to this new block. So this 7 will be shifted in the new block temp. So what is happening here? A is assigning its value to temp. So this way A is assigning its value to temp. This is happening here. Now this value 9, the value of B, is going to be shifted towards A. So this 9 will go to its new block A. So what is happening here? B is assigning its value to A. So B is assigning its value to A. Now this temp, the value of temp is going to be assigned to B. So this 7 will be shifted towards the right in the new block. It will shift towards B. So what is happening here? This temp is assigning its value to B. So this temp is assigning its value to B. So now we can see that the value has been interchanged. So previously the values are A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. Now the values become A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 7. So the swapping has been done. So the concept of swapping is all depends on this formula. Now let's go to the original program, which is our programming. So let's this sheet be fly away. For the programming part, let's take two values. So for example, here I take A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. Let's put my formula here. So here I will write firstly temp is equal to A, then A is equal to B, then B is equal to temp. So here, first of all, the value of A is going to be assigned to temp. Now A is empty literally, but not actually empty. So the value of B is going to be assigned to A. Now B is empty literally. So the value of temp is going to be assigned to B. So swapping has been done here. So now the value of A has become 9 and value of B has become 7. So for printing these values, I will write print. I will give a statement as A is equal to, and I will print a variable A, and I will write the statement B is equal to, and I will call the variable B. So these two print statement will give me my output as, so the first statement will give me my output as A is equal to 9, and second print statement will give me my output as B is equal to 7. Now, if you don't want the values to be predefined, now you want the user input value. For that, you simply replace A is equal to 7. So the value of 7 has to be replaced with simply a statement as int input enter first number. So now the program will ask user to enter the first number, and it will be stored in the variable A. And for B, it is same as int input, but enter second number. So it will ask second number from the user and it will store in the variable B. Now you want your program to be flexible. User can enter either decimal value or integer value and your program will accept it. For that, you have to use float instead of int. So float value will accept both integer value and decimal value. For integer value, it will simply convert it into decimal. So for example, if I enter the value as 2, it will consider it as 2.0 and not 2. So it will take integer as well, but in the form of decimal. So it is more flexible than int. Now for B, you just have to write same as float input enter second number. So the second number will be stored in the variable B. So this is how you swap two numbers with or without user input. Now let's see how to swap two numbers with or without user input. So let's first go with without user input. For that, I will take A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. So these are A and B are variables here and 7 and 9 are values. We just need to swap these. For that, I will write temp is equal to A and B is equal to, no, not B. So A is equal to B and then B is equal to temp. So that's how it works. So now I will write print and I will write A is equal to and comma, I will call the variable A and next print B is equal to and I will call the variable B. So now if I run this program, you can see that the value has been swapped. So what is happening here? Basically, this value 7 is assigned to the variable A. This value 9 is assigned to the variable B. So here the value of A is 7 and the value of B is 9. Then the value of A, which is 7, is assigned to temp. So now this temp has the value 7, and this B, which has the value 9, is assigned to A. So now first of all we have A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9, but due to this statement A has become 9. So the new value of A is now 9. So this temp has the value 7. You can see that here. So this 7 is assigned to this B. So now the value of B has become 7. So new value of B is 7. Okay. So what is the value of A? The new value of A is 9. Previously it was 7, but now it has become 9. And the value of B is now 7. Previously it was 9. So now the values has been interchanged. You can see that the previous values are these 7 and 9, A07, B09, and the new values are A09, B07. So this is how you swap two numbers without taking user input. Now for user input, I just have to write int input and in brackets I will write enter first number, and for B I have to write int input enter second number, of course in double inverted commas, and colon. So now if I run this program, it will first ask me my first number, so I am writing 7. So now the value of A becomes 7, and for second number B I am writing 9. So after swapping it becomes 9 and 7. So this is by user input, but I am taking only integer value. So what if I want a decimal value to be entered? So I will write float here. Instead of int I will write float, and here also I will write float. So if I run this program, now the user can also give decimal values, for example that and 9.7. So now the user can also enter decimal values. You can also enter integer values for this 5 and 9, but the program will convert it into decimal because I am writing float. So this is how you swap two numbers. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.